How to check that if someone deactivated their Instagram account. So let's start. So firstly, by opening your Instagram account. Now from here go in the search, and here go in the search bar. Now you have to type in the username of the account, and if the account doesn't show up in the search results, so it could mean that the user has either deactivated or deleted their account. Now here is a little trick that you can use to confirm whether the account has been deactivated. So you have to simply ask a mutual friend or someone that who follows the account to search for it. Now if they can't also find it, then it's likely that the account is no longer active. So when you open up their profile, instead of their username, the Instagram user will be shown into their profile. But if you follow their account, their following, and it also shows that you follow this account, but their following, followers, or their post are no longer available. So when they active their account again, you are able to see that. So that's how you can check out that if someone deactivate their Instagram account or not. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.